Hi, everyone. We are on the way to Paravoor Point, one of the small town in Ernakulam district, Kerala. We had booked a homestay named Woodenly Heaven. We checked in around afternoon. I would like to show you the rooms and facilities. We are basically entering into the kitchen side of the homestay to get access to the main door off the room. Living room well furnished with nice decorations matching with its woodenly theme. There is one bedroom, which king-sized bed with nice linen set. There is a computer table and office chair arranged in the bedroom. There is one bathroom attached to the bedroom. There is a small balcony also available. It was nice cool weather in the morning, because the monsoon already started. Prepared our breakfast. Children find their time with puzzles, carom board, and watching TV. It was nice to see a couple of peacock on the neighbor house rooftop. Prepared some rice and chicken for lunch. Afternoon, we had a drive around the town. After seeing backwaters, we have reached Cherai beach. Since the monsoon started already, the sea was rough. There was a park in the name of Dr. Ambedkar. We had walked through it. there was a museum named Kesari Balakrishna Museum. He was a fearless journalist, influential thinker, and visionary who spoke and worked relentlessly for establishing a single unified world without boundaries and barriers. There is a sports academy nearby named Span New Sports Academy that children had some good times and enjoyed their football. We had dinner from a restaurant. We really enjoyed the trip.